If r is the radius of earth and acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is g is equal to pi square, then the length of second pendulum at a height h is equal to 2r from the surface of the earth is. So we know that at a height h, the time period of a second pendulum is, formula is 2 pi under root of L by G. Now it is asked to find the length at a height h. So at a particular height, the value of G will change. So if we put time period of a second pendulum as 2 is equal to 2 pi under root of L by GH. So this 2 get cancel out. If we take square on the both sides, so 1 is equal to pi square L divided by GH. The value of L is pi square by GH. Now next task is to find the value of acceleration due to gravity at a height h, which is equal to 2r. So what is the formula for GH? GH is equal to G divided by 1 plus h by r ka square. So as h given is 2r, so 1 plus 2r by r ka square. So r get cancel out. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 ka square is 9. So G divided by 9. So if you put here L is equal to pi square divided by no, I think we did mistake here. The value of L is equal to GH by pi square. So L is equal to GH is G by 9 divided by pi square, as given G and pi square both are same. So L is equal to 1 by 9 meter. So option A is a correct one.